Hi, I'm Beth Simone Novak, professor at New York University and director of the Governance Lab. At the Governance Lab, we work with public partners to study, design, and implement better ways of governing using new technology. In this short series of videos, sponsored by the Democracy Fund, we explore CrowdLaw, or how lawmaking bodies around the world are turning to new technology to foster efficient, two-way conversations with the public to the end of improving the quality and the legitimacy of law and policymaking. But constructive two-way conversations are increasingly hard to have. Lobbyists vie for precious FaceTime with the member, while constituent emails and letters pile up. The noisy extremes of debates favor solutions that divide and polarize the public, and an incessant 24-hour news cycle typically favors immediate action over thoughtful deliberation with the community. So members need better, more innovative ways to engage with the public efficiently and to navigate controversy in ways that expand the range of possibilities for making sustainable progress on issues they've committed to address. But the current capabilities and processes available to members to do this is often inadequate, especially when confronted with high citizen expectations and complex issues. Indeed, a survey of congressional staff have found that members lack the time they need to consider legislation. Staff lack the knowledge and skills they need to support members. There is a lack of access to high-quality information for both, and there is an absence of technology to support members' official duties. It is a challenge faced by representatives everywhere. Now, however, more than 100 legislatures worldwide are responding to this challenge with what we have termed CrowdLaw, or the use of new technologies to tap into diverse sources of information, judgment, and expertise available in the wider community. For example, the UK Parliament's online evidence checks program invites the public to review and contribute evidence to enhance legislative oversight. The French Parliament invites public comment on draft bills via the internet. The Brazilian Chamber of Deputies has been online and engaging with the public for a decade, inviting people to collaborate in drafting the law. Even in Iran, Iranian citizens ask questions of their MPs online, in public, and anonymously. Just as members of the public contribute to writing Wikipedia entries, restaurant reviews on Yelp, or sharing health advice on Patients Like Me, CrowdLaw is demonstrating how members of the public can and will share their collective intelligence and be capable and keen participants in the lawmaking process. The expertise unlocked and applied to lawmaking through CrowdLaw includes both the professional and know-how and the lived experience that is widely distributed among the public. The key, however, is to first identify and then direct the collective intelligence to the different stages of lawmaking in ways that are relevant, timely, and efficient. That's why this series of 5 videos and the accompanying website set out to, first, showcase the practical strategies being used around the world to engage the public in each of 4 stages of the legislative process: defining the problem, developing solutions, drafting, and finally, evaluation and oversight. We set out to address how to design engagement processes that elicit the desired information efficiently. And we focus on technology platforms, especially nonprofit and open source solutions that we can help you to acquire and adapt for the U.S. context, and which can often be run by a single staff member working just part-time. After each video, you'll also hear directly from those politicians and staff who have used these CrowdLaw methods, so you can learn what worked and why. For more information about these cases and more guidance about how to implement these initiatives, those will all be available on the CrowdLaw for Congress website, congress.crowd.law. So, in the next of these 4 videos, we examine specific CrowdLaw strategies that can improve the lawmaking process at different stages. We'll cover digital listening with social media and the use of artificial intelligence for generating insights as part of better defining the problem. We'll explore how prize-backed challenges and crowdsourcing can help develop solutions, and how web-based platforms and blockchain-based petitions can be used for collaborative drafting. To conclude, we'll consider how online social auditing can be used for evaluation and oversight. But before we move on, however, we want to make you this offer. If, after reviewing the materials, you are interested in experimenting with any of the CrowdLaw strategies for 21st century lawmaking, then the Democracy Fund will support the creation and development of the technology, the processes, and the evaluation of the results for members, committees, and their staff at no cost to you. If you are interested in learning more, please do check out crowd.law and contact us at crowdlaw@thegovlab.org. Okay, let's move on to our second video and look at how CrowdLaw strategies can be used to turn issues of concern into specific problems to be acted upon. Thank you.